Hello and welcome to a video of spares and repairs. Here today we have a Audi A1 in with 45,000 miles on the clock, in for a tooth belt or cam belt change here today. It's a 16 plate on a CZCA engine. As you can see here, this is the engine. Cam belt is located on the driver's side of the engine. So let's crack on with the video. Come on. This is the cam belt kit for the A1, all genuine belt, tensioner and idler. At the moment I've loosened off I've taken off the alternator bolt. The tension has been removed for the fan belt, and I've just loosened off the bottom alternator bolt so the alternator can move away from the engine, because you need to take out the engine mount and the support here, and the alternator bolt goes through this bracket here. There's the bottom of the cam belt. this is the lock-in pin for the crank. It goes in a hole just above the sump, the upper sump in here, and it's covered by, so this looks like an oil sump plug bolt. Goes in, you take it out, and you put this one in to lock the crank up, and you wind it in, but I haven't done that yet. Managed to take this support out by dropping the engine down on the jack, and there was a little bracket here like this had to come off before removing the support, just to get this bolt out. So the mechanic Mike is just counter holding the tensioner while I'm torquing it up to 25 Newton meters, as you can see here. And there's like a locating pin inside the cylinder head where the tensioner goes in, and also the tensioner's got a pointer where it meets up with the slot there. Everything's all good. Now we're going to turn it 360 and check to see if the timing's all correct. Rotated the engine a full 360 and all the markings are bang on. As you can see here, the yellow marking on the crank is all good, and on the cams as well, everything is all good. So now it's just need to box up. Right, so the backing plate is on, the bolt for the support is in and tightened. The other two are just hand tight in at the moment. I'm going to tighten them once I get to the top. The pulley's back on and torqued up to 250 Newton meters, I think it is. And then there's a degree as well, I think it's 45, I think. The pin, I'm not sure, but double check. The pin's out and the bung is tight. Now putting in the alternator. Now. As you can see, everything's all boxed up now. The covers are on, the engine mounts all tightened up, support, alternators back in with the fan belt, the tensioner, under tray wheel, everything's all back on in as it should. Now let's see if it starts on the button. And just like that, perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.